Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a WeatherGuard 52-inch shelving back panel. Let's get into it. All right, this is an optional accessory you can get for your WeatherGuard shelving, your adjustable shelves, and this is just a panel that covers the back of the shelf so your things aren't going to fall out off the back of the shelf if you want to keep that from happening. It's also going to allow you to have kind of a fully enclosed container area on the shelf itself. So if you put a lockable door on the front, you have a fully enclosed lockable compartment on the shelf. So this is gonna be a pretty simple unboxing. It's basically just a piece of steel in that bright white powder coat finish. It's going to match the shelf. There's holes right here that's going to line up with existing holes on the WeatherGuard shelving unit itself. And it comes with the hardware to attach it. Looks like it's just serrated bolts and serrated lock nuts. So, and some washers as well. So not too much of a deal to get this assembled. You can see there is a little bit of a bend in this panel. Just gives us a little bit of structure. It's not too wobbly and all of that. So pretty simple. You can get this in a couple of different length options. Basically, this is for the 52-inch wide shelves. You can get it for all their different shelving sizes. And again, it just goes on the back side of that shelf. You attach it, keeps things from falling out the back, as well as makes that a fully enclosed container if you wanted to put a lockable shelf door on the front. So that just about does it for this unboxing. Now, if you're looking for products like this or anything else for your van or truck to get it ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.